So today I have an unboxing of a 12-inch ported sub from a company that's been creating a lot of waves in the home theater audio space, Monoprice. Stick around. Perfect. Hey guys, it's the Villaman here, and on this channel we bring you the tech of entertainment. So we do unboxings, demos, comparisons, and real-world reviews of the tech that entertains you. So if you're into that kind of stuff, then hit that subscribe button and come along for the ride. So Monolith is how Monoprice brands their home theater audio components. So this, what we have here, is their 12-inch ported subwoofer coming in at 500 watts RMS and 900 watts peak power. So recently I took a look at and reviewed the SVS PB3000 ported subwoofer. Now that is an amazing sub. So since then I've been curious about how the subs from Monoprice performs. And I also got a lot of questions from you guys watching about the same thing. So I decided to go out and get one. Now as you can see, this box is all kinds of massive. This is the 12-inch version. They also have a 15-inch version. But if the box for this one is so big, then I can't even imagine how big that 15-inch box is. But enough talking, let's get this unboxed so we can see what's inside. And for this, as always, we'll need the official Villaman unboxing knife. The shipping weight of this box is 126 pounds. Yes, 100 and almost 30 pounds. Double box, so that's awesome. I like the fact that it's double box. So even though it got kind of damaged in shipping, it didn't actually go through to the sub. At least we can hope. We'll see when we get in there. Now let's see, the best way to do this would be to put it on its side and just lift the box up. So now that we have the bottom of the box facing upward, we can cut this open so we can just lift it off the sub. One more time. I will not need the gym today, I'll tell you that. I'm a simple man, don't wanna complicate ya. Alright, so apparently we have everything everywhere. So this is where the box got damaged from shipping. So as you can see, the styrofoam protected the sub underneath. So it did its job. Good job, Monoprice, or Monolith, I should say. Now first up we have the power cable. Then we have the grill with the Monolith logo. And the sub is THX certified, so it has that going for it. It's affixed by these. I didn't even realize, but they actually give you gloves so you can handle the subwoofer. You think I need these? I'll tell you one thing, they probably can't fit my hands. Let's try for giggles. Oh wow, they stretch pretty good. Interesting. I actually can't get a good grip using these gloves, so I think I'll take them off. here you have it, with the 2 foam plugs already inserted. This subwoofer features a 12-inch driver and a 80mm or around 3.2 inches peak-to-peak excursion. It has 500 watts RMS of power or 900 watts peak. It comes in black ash and have various frequency responses depending on the mode you have it operating in. So depending on the mode, it has a low of 29 Hz or all the way down to 18 Hz, minus 6 dB. It also has RCA and XLR inputs and comes in at 95 pounds. It measures in at 23 inches high, 17 inches wide, and 24 inches deep. So it is not small by any measure. So I'll be integrating this sub into my home theater and the full review will be coming in a few weeks. But until then, let me know what kind of demos you guys want to see, because as with everything else I review on this channel, I like to do some demos to help you guys have a better understanding of how it performs in a real world setting. So let me know what kind of audio demo you want to see, if you want to see that, or movie demos, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Now, since this is a 12-inch sub and the SVS PB3000 is a 13-inch sub, some people have expressed interest in seeing a comparison of the two, but these are wildly different subs. They have a huge gap in power, so it may be a very interesting comparison to see. Let me know if you want to see that, and I'll do my best to make it happen also. We'll see. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and enable those notifications so you know when those videos drop. And if you want to support the channel so we can bring you more content like this, then you can buy the sub using the links in the description below. Or you can check out the Villaman merch store where you can get some cool t-shirts like this and other things, of course. But don't forget to like the video if you like the video, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, this has been your friendly neighborhood Villaman saying peace.